welcome to another episode of Secret Thursdays. In today's episode I'm going to teach you how to remove the shadows from under eyes or under eye bags. So it's a retouching episode. So here's my photograph that I'm going to show you on. Start off by making a new layer. So you can press Alt Command J or Alt Control J on a PC and name your layer. So there's two ways to do this. This is the first way that I know how to do it, is go to your toolbar along here and choose the clone tool, which is this one. What the clone tool does is it copies one target area onto another area. So for example, I'll show you, just hold down the Alt key and then you get your target symbol. Click what you want to copy, so say I wanted to copy this eye. Release the Alt key and the click and then move to another area and just click down with your mouse and paint the target on. So you can see it's just copying from one place to the next. So that's basically how to use the clone tool. So to use it on under eye bags and stuff, just zoom in on your image. Then I usually change the mode to lighten and the opacity down to say around 20%. Select the target area, so say here, and the area I want to paint, so start painting on. And you can see it just very slightly lightens up the area. So I start doing it lightly so that I can build up the effect. And you can just get rid of a lot of the shadows. You could also use this to get rid of lines, so take it off lighten and put it back to normal. And you can use it to get rid of any lines that you don't want. You can just play around with the opacity to make the brush stronger. Okay, so then you can zoom out. Now that looks a little bit fake and obvious, so I usually take it down quite a bit because I don't like my photographs to look too photoshopped. So I'd probably have it like that, around 48%, possibly more if it was a girl. So you can see the effects there with it and then without. So the other way I know how to do it is using the patch tool. So click on the background again, Alt Command J, call it as 2, and then go to your tool palette and go to where there's a picture of a plaster or band-aid, hold that down and scroll to choose the patch tool, which is this one here. What the patch tool does, it's a little bit like the clone brush, except you determine the area you want to be cloned and you can make it as large as or as small as you like. And what it does, it looks at the area around your selected area, the pixels, and it creates a similar texture to that which is around it, if that makes sense. So I'll just show you quickly. So with the patch tool, just click and hold down the cursor and then draw exactly where you want to take something away, and make sure you meet up to make a full enclosed area, and then zoom out. What I'll probably do is pick an area on the forehead to change this area with, because it's quite smooth here. So click inside the dotted area and drag the area out, and you can see there it's just replacing it with the forehead area. Now it's not going to look exactly like that because it will look at the pixels around, like I said before, and kind of match and blend it in. So just let go wherever you want to use. And there, that's blended it in a little bit with what's around it. So Command D to deselect the area. It is a little bit too much, so I would take the opacity down a bit, and you can see some of the background image coming through. So I usually use this one because it's a lot quicker, but if you wanted to do it, probably I'd say use the clone brush. So you can see it without and with. And then that was the one with the clone brush again. So thanks for watching another Secret Thursday. Hope you liked it, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next week. Bye.